Imagine a buyer falling in love with a home before they even step inside. That's the power of virtual tours. A virtual tour is more than photos. It's a digital walkthrough that lets buyers explore every corner of a property, anytime, anywhere. They save time, attract serious remote buyers, and make your listings unforgettable. Forget expensive gear or film crews. With affordable cameras and simple software, creating a tour is easier than you think. And here's the magic: share them across social, email, and your website. The more places they're seen, the faster homes sell. Buyers don't just want to look. This keeps the structure you had, but adds a bit more storytelling flow, curiosity, and emotional pull, so viewers feel like they're stepping into the buyer's shoes. Buyers don't just want to look, they want to experience. Already creating virtual tours? MarketinGear helps you get them seen, shared, and sold. Visit us today and take your listings further.